During this winter stretch, we've been getting lots of videos reminding us of the dangers during winter driving. This week, the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office shared this video you can see of a nasty rear-end crash up on Highway 26, just east of Rhododendron. There were some injuries involved with that crash. And just last week on a trip to skee-ball, I caught this video on my dash camera. You can see an SUV attempting a very questionable pass around a nearly blind curve on an icy stretch of roadway, once again east of Rhododendron. As far as how the roads are looking now, here's the update from ODOT today.
The gorge is back open again. Highway 26 and Highway 35 over Mount Hood are open again too, but our crews are still out there working.
Highway 20 over the Santiam Pass, which has had to close a few times in recent days, has reopened for now. One of the hardest hit spots is State Highway 334 in Umatilla County. Parts of it are buried under 6-foot snowdrifts, which will take days to clear. And I-84 had to close again this morning from Pendleton to Ontario because of crashes and vehicles sliding off the roads.
We've seen numerous crashes on the roads in recent days, and no doubt a number of them are related to the snowy roads out there.
A crash on Highway 97 near Terrebonne killed 3 people on Monday night.
A truck was trying to pass in the passing lane. It was fast, it was snowy. He lost control and skidded into the other lane, and another car hit him. 3 people were killed.
Winter has just begun.
We need to be more careful than that out there.
With the threat of continued heavy mountain snow and the possibility of lower elevation flooding and mudslides, the Oregon Office of Emergency Management is urging drivers to avoid travel on treacherous roads in order to ease the strain on the statewide response system. Chris McGinnis, KGW News.